This video is going to be on how to take your shot of tirzepatide or Mounjaro. First, you need to get your Mounjaro from the pharmacy. In Canada, it comes in a vial, and the vial comes in 6 different strengths: 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10, 12.5, and 15 milligrams. And each vial, regardless of how much medication it has in it, costs $77. And each vial has the same volume of 0.5 mils, which can be conveniently measured using an insulin syringe where 0.5 mils is 50 units. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. So the standard dose is to take a full vial, so 50 units of the 2.5 milligram, which is the starting dose, and then typically you take the same dose for 4 weeks, and providing you don't have undue side effects, namely nausea and vomiting, you increase to the next dose, spend another month on that dose with weekly shots, and gradually increase the dose to treatment target. Treatment target is either going to be a sugar target or a weight target or both. I'm going to show you how to take your shot. So you've got your insulin syringe. Draw up 50 units of air. We're going to inject the air. Now we're going to draw up a full dose of Mounjaro, which is 50 units on an insulin syringe. There we have it. We're going to tap the air bubbles out. We're going to push it back to 50, and we're going to give ourselves the shot. If you want to save money, there's a way of doing Mounjaro shots that is off-label, that is not approved by Health Canada. And on this piece of paper here, I show how to do it off-label. So if you buy 15 milligram vials, instead of taking the whole vial, you can take 8 units, which would be the starting dose of 2.5 milligrams. Take that once a week for 4 weeks. Then you could go to 5 milligrams, which would be 16 units. And if you want higher doses, you would just increase it. So 7.5 is 24 units, 10 is 32, 12.5 is 40, and the full 15 milligram dose would be 50 units. That would mean using the vial multiple times, which is not approved by Health Canada.